Welcome. If you're looking to take a break from Discord or just want to disable your account for a while, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable your Discord account, all from your mobile device. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you straight to your user settings. Next, scroll down until you see the settings option and give it a tap. This is where you'll find all your account management tools. Now, find and select the account section. Here, you'll see your account details and a few important options for managing your Discord presence. Scroll down until you spot the Disable Account button. Tap on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your password. This is just to make sure it's really you making the change. After entering your password, confirm your choice. And that's it. Your Discord account is now disabled. You won't receive any notifications, messages, or friend requests until you decide to reactivate your account in the future. Disabling your account is a great option if you need a break but don't want to lose your data or connections. Remember, you can always come back and reactivate your account by simply logging in again with your credentials. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you have any questions or need further help, drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Take care and see you in the next video.